Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Apex Pixel and today we have a super quick video and it's going to be focused exactly right there on the front grills of this car. So as you can probably imagine by the title and thumbnail of this video, I'm going to be going ahead and swapping the kidney grills of my 135i for the, I guess you could call this like a facelifted, like F generation kidney grill. So it's got the double spoke there, and I think it's like a nice little touch because in my opinion, this definitely feels a little bit dated. Yeah, and I feel like my car is later end of the 135i life cycle. So some bits of the car feel a little bit more modern, like some of the interior bits, but then also, I don't know, some of it's still 2006, 2007 design when this car was first being produced. So I figured we would update it with a little bit of a kidney grill upgrade here. Nice little cosmetic change. Got these off of Amazon for around 40 bucks. And yeah, I kind of have high hopes. They're simple. Seems like something hard to mess up. And then yeah, just as a little bit of a last touch, I decided to go with like the gloss black style and the no M Sport M looking spokes on there. And I think that's just going to match the trim like all around the door and all that, the shadow line stuff, really well. So we're going to keep this video super short and let's get installing these on the car. And there we have it, guys. The new kidney grills are officially on the car, and I think they actually look pretty good. Normally, I don't suggest upgrading parts on a car to like far beyond what the style of the car and the age of the car really is. But I think in this case, these work. They're not super like flamboyantly angular and all that to where it doesn't really mesh with the car. In fact, it's such a small part that it really doesn't pop out at all. But I think it really meshes well with all the you know, shadow line trim, all the glossy black bits on the car. So I'm a fan. Definitely like it. The quality is maybe not top notch, but neither were the previous aftermarket ones that I think are on the car, and I don't think the real OEM kidney grills are even all that impressive from a build quality perspective either. So yeah, not really sure you'll be missing much there, but and for 40 bucks off Amazon, it's kind of hard to go wrong. So there you go, guys. Trying to keep these videos really quick and keep you guys updated and myself on the status of the car and how all the changes it goes through. You've probably noticed already at this point, there are a few final stickers on the car. That's going to be, I guess, like the final stage of this version sticker kit, if you will. The car's going off to Car Week with me for this week. So, yeah, that's kind of the last update there. And then it's probably the last you're going to see of the stickers because I'm going to do wheels and suspension, and I plan on removing the stickers completely. So we're going back to a naked look on the car, but I actually couldn't be more excited. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in finding these particular kidney grills, you can find them in the description below. I've got everything linked there. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for this video, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.